Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong.
Hakarai jong Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kandiat sengi mensua kalarai ba naduka katsan terek mentau benaya yong arhajar arpo onsya no banya yaki kali tangki kali jong kirishiman Henry hakajialang jong kakanhun menteri kebelalong hakakatlai terek mentau benaya yong kalapan kelano yakini karai hakaba kalarai pat ban omsya ya yaki kali jong kirishiman haki bentasor jong kajela kentop nadu kani kanong ba Shillong kadba haki thainong kandong ka sarkar kala aibor haki deputy commissioner bar katna transport ban bishar hikayat kayang kikali jong kirishiman
katu karai juga kabinet hakane ka bagi syong hakane ka tayo ka baladep nilai rai bagindai mansya ya ka private transport nadu ka kasantrik bakin sedang no tehnrai hadin milayo ya ka feedback layo ya ki report na ki deputy commissioners barok jong gajela gajongi ka kabinet kalapen kelano ia kan karai bat karai ka ba menta ka janmit ka long baka private transport ngin nempat syak bakan ya hadu anda pentip da kumwaipat kini ki private transport sengapa kini ki private transport this private transport which I just mentioned right now is we talking about the urban area we are talking about the urban area see like Shillong like Tura like Jawai where the record says we do have maximum registration of private transport. But in the rural areas, means outside the urban area, again, private transport is subjected to the regulation to be made by the respective deputy commissioners and the transport department. Cabinet has given a go ahead, has given a note of going ahead. Hakabedei but katukarai hakabaka cabinet hakani katayo kabladep karai bayaka private transport bansya kum mangalaong ipimentan kalong ba ka private transport bansya kalong kat kum kejing start hapdeng jong ka transport department bat ka deputy commissioner hakabidei bat ki jaka nong kendong henrei ya ka jaka ka bahasor kum ka Shillong ki jaka kum hajuai kum hatura yakani private transport will continue to be sealed kadang beteng bankang.